Hello friends, today let's solve another question of finding the missing term. Here in our last episode we saw that how to find the missing term using differentials as a concept. Here we are going to look at it in a different way. So let's take an example of this set of numbers where we have 4, 16, 36, question mark, 100, 144. Now, in this particular series, we see that there is a pattern that appears. And if we take a look at these numbers, these all look like squares of certain numbers. 4 can be written as 2 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. 36 becomes 6 square. We do not know this number. 100 is 10 square. And 144 is 12 square. So in this sequence, we are following the patterns of even numbers which are squared. So let's try to fill this puzzle by filling the missing even term. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6 and 8. And a square of 8 will be 64. So if we fit this sequence, it's going to be 4, 16, 36, 64, 100 and 144. Here you go. So please subscribe to our channel to understand and look for more problems. Thank you.